In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a video in Settings, Advanced, and Duplicate Video. To get started, open the video you want to work with and make sure you're on the correct project or content page. Before duplicating anything, it's always a good idea to quickly confirm that this is the exact video you want to copy. Duplicating a video is useful when you want to reuse the same structure, settings, or content as a starting point without having to build everything again from scratch. Once you're on the video page, go to Settings. This is where you'll find the main controls related to that specific video. Take a moment here to make sure the video has fully loaded and that you're editing the right item, especially if you manage multiple videos that may look similar. From Settings, continue to Advanced. The Advanced section usually contains more specific actions and configuration options that aren't part of the basic editing tools. Since duplication is often considered a higher level action, that's why it's located here rather than on the main screen. Move carefully in this section so you don't accidentally select another option. Inside Advanced, look for a duplicate video and select it. This action creates a copy of the current video, allowing you to preserve the original while making changes to the duplicate. That's especially helpful if you want to test a different version, create a variation for another audience, or save time when producing similar content. After selecting duplicate video, give the system a moment to process the request. Depending on the platform, the duplicate may appear immediately or after a short delay. Once the copy is created, check that the duplicated video appears in your list or dashboard. It's also a smart habit to open the duplicate right away and confirm that everything copied over as expected. If needed, you can then rename the duplicated version so it's easier to identify later. Keeping your videos clearly labeled can help avoid confusion, especially when you're working with several similar files or drafts.